Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Focus petrol cap. First, locate the fuel flap release lever, which is typically found on the driver's side floor, near the door sill. Give it a firm pull upwards. You should hear a small click as the fuel filler door unlatches. This action prepares the cap for easy access, making your refueling process smooth and straightforward. Now, walk to the rear of your Ford Focus, specifically to the passenger side where the fuel filler door is located. Gently push on the door to swing it fully open. Once open, you'll see the fuel cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. It should then be easy to remove, allowing you to begin fueling your vehicle. With the cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening. Make sure it's securely seated before you start pumping. Once your tank is full and the pump automatically clicks off, carefully remove the nozzle. Then, replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring it's tightly sealed. If the fuel flap doesn't open after pulling the lever, check your owner's manual for a manual release, often located in the trunk behind the trim panel. Always ensure your fuel cap is tightened until it clicks several times to prevent fuel vapor from escaping, which can trigger a check engine light. And speaking of reading, if you love a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, and you can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.